All right, good morning. Thank you for joining us for another episode of The Open. I'm your host, Esco the Trader, here with Esco Trading. All right, so SPY and Qs are in a nice little tight squeeze in between supply and demand. They gapped down again this morning from the overnight futures. Right now, I'm just looking at Lucid in the upper left-hand corner. They failed earnings. I'm also looking at Workhorse, HP in the lower left, and then JP Morgan. The banks took a nice gap yesterday, and I'm looking to see if we can take advantage of that move today. So we have 4 on deck right now. Let's take a look and see what we can do. Market's about to open in about 20 seconds. All right, let's see what we have. See if we get a bounce here. Market's about to open. Here we go. Alright, let's see. Good Workhorse up here. JP Morgan already took off. Lucid already took off. So let's try to see if we can catch some pullbacks here and here. See if they can come back up to the moving averages. JP Morgan is not waiting for anybody. Man, it literally flushed this demand zone like I wasn't even there. Well, demand zones tend to become resistance or supply in the event they flush through it very quickly. So at this point, we can just wait and see. These are the 4 main plays that we're watching today. If none of them tend to go, then we're just gonna end our day early. We're not gonna attempt to force anything with anyone else. These are the 4 highest probabilities that we're looking at, and with the best potential to move in our direction. So we have about 50 seconds left on this candle. Shooting out to the 2-minute over here. Make sure we're on the 2-minute on all of them. Alright, so we're on the 2-minute. Looks like Lucid is sitting inside of a demand zone. We have a rejection here on HP in the lower left-hand corner. Alright, 20 seconds left on this candle. Looking for JP to come up a little bit. Man, they're struggling. They are struggling right now. About 10 seconds left on this candle. We have another demand zone underneath on Lucid. Alright, here we go. Next candle. Yeah, our main 2 are going. They're going without us. So we're just going to have to see if we get a second opportunity. Watching SPY and Qs. Qs are rejecting. Qs are inside of their supply zone, but they have plenty of support underneath them. So unless they start tanking, SPY's looking stronger than the Qs right now. All the moving averages are underneath, so it's kind of a risk right now. Alright, let's see if we can get some pullback here on JP. Maybe a rejection off of VWAP. Alright, HP is going. Yeah, Lucid and JP are just taking off without us, man. Oh, man. Yeah, Lucid is definitely going. We have to change our contracts now to the 2350s. Uh, 23s, where are they? 23s, so now we gotta go here. Yeah, Lucid is just, man. That was our play right there. Alright, HP is definitely taking off. All right, watching workhorse in the upper right hand corner. See if it can get a rejection off of. I'm looking at the order book right now. There's some orders stacked. All right, Q's and SPY looking like they're trying to rally here. All right, this is a tight one, man. This is a tight one. We're getting a nice pullback on Lucid in the upper left-hand corner, but it's inside of its demand zone right here. This is not, I don't like this at all. If the Q and the SPY start to rally, it's going to push it up here. Now, if we get back up here, I would definitely be interested in taking it back down, but not way down here where it is. Watching workhorse up here. Not really making much moves. Volume is running out. Yeah, this is nasty right here on JP Morgan. Nasty, just nasty. Alright, could look for a retest if it comes back up. I have some 140 puts here. We're actually at 130. Alright, SPY is rallying inside of demand now. Let's take a look at JP Morgan. It's 139 puts. Alright, here we go. I want Lucid to come up a little bit more. There we go. Let me see. Maybe we got, yeah, decent. Yeah, we're still too far away from the moving averages. There we go. There we go. Lucid's starting to rally. Alright, that's what we want. There we go. Alright, Lucid's looking good. Got some 23 puts. Now we have to go 24. They're making us work. They're making us work. They're making us work. Alright, let's get in 5 of these. See if we can hurry up and get 5 before this thing takes off without us. Alright, we just put in the order to get in 5 Lucid puts. See if we get filled. Alright, workhorse is looking good. Still kind of ranging right now in between the 21 and the 50. SPY is going up. We'll add more if Lucid gets up to the 9. We still didn't get filled. Did we get filled? No, we didn't get filled. Alright, we're still not in this. Let's see. Yeah, SPY's heading up. Lucid looks weak. Let's see if we can get in here. See if we can get in there. Still not getting filled. Alright, SPY is up at Alright, let's see. JP Morgan looking weak. We're still not getting filled on our Lucids at all. That's our 3rd attempt trying to get in these Lucids. Alright, workhorse. We're going to jump in some workhorse right here. Workhorse is looking weak. Let me see. We just got in Lucid. We just got in workhorse. Alright, good. Good. Now we're just going to sit and hold. We're just going to hold. Alright, we're in workhorse. We're in Lucid. JP took off again. That's alright. We missed our entry. Our entry was up here at the 9. And I saw they were looking weak too. But there was these wicks here at the bottom, which was making me nervous because I was thinking there's a lot of buying going on down here. And I didn't want to jump in and then get caught in this buying. But as you can see, it went our way anyway. Alright, keeping an eye up here on Lucid. We'll enter. We'll add some more. We only entered half position size, so we're just going to wait. Alright, we're looking up at the order book right now. 2430 stack with orders right here where it is. Possibly add 5 more. Alright, Lucid's looking pretty strong here. Watching the SPY and the Qs. They're inside of their demand. Alright, let's see if we get a rejection off this 21. Alright, let's get in 5 more here. Did we get filled? No, we didn't. Let's see if we can get it filled. We have an order out there to get in 5. I'm trying to see if we can get filled in this Lucid. Man, we're missing this reject. We're not getting filled. Oh man, come on. This thing needs to... Alright, there we go. Let's try it again. We're not getting filled. This is killing me, man. We're not getting filled. Alright, let's try a third time, see if we can get filled here. We gotta get filled up here. If we don't get filled, we're gonna miss our opportunity. Man, we're losing all of this right now. Damn, we're losing all of this. We're losing all... Oh my gosh. We're losing all of this reject right here. Yeah, we're stuck now. We're kind of stuck between a rock and a hard place. Spies rejecting. Just not getting filled, man. This sucks. This sucks. We missed all of this up here. All of this. All of that, man. So it's all good. We missed all of that, man. We could have got in at 108. It's at 120 now. Oh, man. All right, let's just stay calm. Let's just stay calm. Now we're giving the indices the opportunity to rally back up. This could have been our exit. We would have made up what we were losing with the 5 that we had. We would have doubled up here with 10. Look at all this, man. We could have doubled up, got all of this on the way down. Now we're at 124. From 108 to 124 with 10 contracts, that's an easy $160. Easy. Easy. That reject was nasty. Damn, man. This TOS is just a real POS, man. TOS is a POS for those out there that haven't used it yet. That's just my personal opinion. This is not financial advice. That was the move. That was the move right there. We just missed all of that. Let's see where we are. Let's check our money. See where we are right now. See, we're down. I don't know why it's saying we're down on Workhorse. We should be up. We're only down 25 on Lucid. Workhorse for some reason is saying we're down 200. 200 contracts. We entered way up here. I don't know why it's saying we're down, but whatever. We'll just let it ride. It just probably needs to update. Alright, we'll look to catch probably a reject off of this. Man, that Lucid, that was the move. We would have been up. Everything would have been great. How much are we down now? It's not even changing. I don't know what's going on with Workhorse. For some reason, it's just... Let me make sure I have puts and not calls in here. Yeah, 2.5 puts. I don't know why I went so low on those. Maybe that's why. Maybe that's why I went 2.5 and not 3. Well, we'll just let it ride. Let's get back here. Alright, let's see what we have left. Yeah, I don't know. How did I enter? I entered 2.5. Yeah, I should have entered 3. Yeah, I should have entered $3 puts. I don't know how I entered 2.5. That was actually an error on my part because we were actually up. We entered up here at 320 and this thing got all the way down to 307. So that was a 12-cent move. That was money right there. Why that happened, I don't know. But that trade would have definitely been a winner because, again, we got a 12-cent move in our favor. I just entered the wrong contract. Alright, so Lucid, we should be at least at 0 now. Alright, we're at 250. Yeah, this actually would have been a good day. 2 good trades. If we would have gotten filled up here, it would have been even better. But this one was the winner. We got 12 cents in our favor. Human error entering the wrong contracts. me just take a look and see how much we would have been up, because that just doesn't make any sense whatsoever. I'm on this website called Options Profit Calculator. This kind of tells us what we would have made in the event that we would have, let me make sure that was the right date. March 4th, yeah. In the event we would have gotten the move. So 12 cents in our favor would have put us at about 298. So yeah, that would have been somewhere around 34 $34. So you multiply $34 times 200. That's what we would have gotten on this move if we had picked the right contract. So let's do the math real quick. So 34 times 200. Wow. Yeah, okay. So just so you know, human error, 12 cents in our favor on a nice drop right here. We caught it all the way down here at the bottom. $6,800. So there you go. All right. Let's see. Yeah, this is nasty right here. We're up 35 now. See, these contracts haven't moved at all. Like even like nothing. But whatever. Whatever. Lucid, we're up 35. We're gonna just go ahead and exit this trade because we really don't even need to be in this trade anymore. This would have been a nasty trade. We would have caught it way up here. We would have caught it up here somewhere at 60, around 62. We were down here. We were somewhere around here when we realized that. Yeah, we were somewhere around here. So we're talking 62. That would have been like 55 cents. So let's go back to that website and see where we would have been at with 10 contracts on a 50-cent move. Alright, so we had some puts. What do we have? Some 24. We had the we're next in the money. So let's just go mid. Alright, so that would have been 24.10, 24.15. 24.10, 24.15, somewhere. No, it wouldn't have been that one. What is wrong with this contract? March 4th put. Yeah, let's refresh this page. For some reason, it's telling us we would have made too much money. I don't like that. That's not right. I'm thinking at worst, we probably would have. I don't know why this isn't filling up. It's not even giving us a bid and an ask. Might be something going on with this website. This is a 50-cent move down. So we're talking 24.10. Yeah, we wouldn't have been at $168. We might have been somewhere around $20, $22. So 22 times 10 would have given us about $200, what I said earlier, which would have been a good move. So the 200 we could have made on this one if we would have gotten filled. And then over here with, this, we had 200 contracts and we caught a 12-cent move, which said we would have been up $6,800. So clearly this definitely would have been a green day. Definitely would have been a green day. So it's all good. It's all good. It's all good. Alright, so it's 9:47, so our day would have been over literally like 3 or 4 minutes ago. So we would have had like another 15-minute work day, which would have been awesome. We'll have to double and triple check tomorrow to make sure we have the right contracts. This was just a simple human error as we were putting them in, but it happens. Matter of fact, I know exactly what happened. It wasn't a human error. I actually entered these contracts this morning when we were down here. So the market, once I seen the results, once we were here, this is when I preloaded the contracts because the next contracts down were $2.50. They were the $3 and then the $2.50. I entered the contracts when I came in this morning and seen this. So it wasn't a human error. It was a human error that I didn't change it once we started making our way back up at the open. So it's still nonetheless made a mistake, but that still would have been an easy move. So we would have gotten the $3 contracts instead of the $2.50. We would have entered here at $3.20. And we would have still caught this move all the way down to $3.08, which would have been a 12-cent move. We would have caught this entire move with 200 contracts, which still would have been $6,800. So, Well, the good thing is our plays worked. What we planned worked out. It just, for some reason, TOS is a POS and didn't enter us up here like we wanted to for our second half of our position. JP Morgan just kept going without us. There's no reason, no way we could have caught this one. I was looking to catch it up here, which I should have inside of this zone, and we would have caught this entire move down, but I didn't. But it is what it is. Mentally, I know this was a green day, and I know that my plays executed correctly. So we're going to go ahead and sign off. We're not going to stick around in this market. We're pretty much done. We'll leave these workhorse contracts up, see if they do finally make their way down a little bit lower so we can get out of this $200 position. And we look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow morning for another episode of The Open. I'm your host, Esco the Trader. Have a great day. Remember to trade what you see and not what you think.